when two leaders speak face to face, gender neutral, focus and concentration, when one example begins to be a lawyer from Yale or Harvard, or an engineer from Caltech doing self-driving cars in MIT whose family studied cold fusion, speak about dialect, ethnic freedom, in a conversation about prison camps and too many bombs dropped from airplanes. There's cognitive dissonance. A woman looking over there with their hands doing this now. Anyone, a gender neutral, transgender, part robot human, interacting, has to consider, are they doing game theory from some meeting they had with their buddies from a fraternity or a sorority they were a part of in their college education institution, where they got a doctorate alongside a poor, dumb English literature, film studies, degree receiving human who didn't have a husband, who didn't have a boyfriend, who enjoyed women, or a wife, who didn't cheat on her significant other to cause arousal for her partner in his Viagra prescription now. A person, another person, consciousness, focus, concentration, attention, awareness, and blink. Cognition, thinking and thought. Staring at a wall for cognition, observing a space behind another person for freedom. Are words and gestures and choices and decisions possibly sitting across from a person who speaks Urdu and not only hears words spoken, but a body, an energy, in world. In other words, all of these climate change, environmental demanding leaders who call themselves, who call their friends, and who all vote together and break windows alongside each other now, with their fists raised high for clean air now. Are making magic for stimulation. Causing everyone to agree. They're so right, they're so correct, they're so smart, they're so intelligent, they're a genius. They know how to fix problems. They talk about what everyone says in science needs to get fixed now. And receive a reward from a public they serve with re-elections and more funding for their social housing and their food stamps now. Eventually, an echo suffices for the grammar addicted, board game playing, video game character on a screen with a controller in their hands now. Instead of going back and saying, suffice, sis, and again and again and again, suffices. And the process I'm describing in the example I'm providing now are gone. Gone, baby, gone. When people can't go to their website and meet their wife to have their baby for the stroller they bought from Amazon and had delivered from some service they support, whose carbon has been stopped now. Gone. A mirror. A leader and a mirror and a diplomat. The magic and the mystery of body and the confusion with eyes have a mirror for their psychiatry and their psychology and their neurolinguistics and their psycholinguistics and their mathematics they got with their degree from a university college. And two people can begin to have a conversation about peace and freedom and less in smaller amounts of violence and destruction now. Replacing looking down, looking up, looking down, looking up, looking down, looking up. Another option for interacting, instead of mysteriously looking away and magically having a body with energy, less distraction, more concentration and focus. And more sincerity with words and language and body. In world now.